Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Chats with Chaudhry. I hope you're safe and well. Now, you may not know, or you may know that next week, Advanced Therapy Congress will be running at the London Excel from the 14th and 15th. And this lovely lady I'm talking to right now will be there with her colleagues. So we thought we'd do a quick preview and find out why 𝐿𝐤𝐻𝐻𝐼, I hope I got that right, is going to be with ScaleReady at Advanced Therapy Congress and what they'll be talking about. So first, Jenny, how are you, first of all?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Sitting up here in northern part of Europe, in Sweden, enjoying a nice snowy Friday afternoon.
All right. Well, it's just turned noon here in the UK and it's grey and dreary, but I think I'll take grey and dreary over snow only because my internet won't crash, hopefully. So yeah, the last time I saw you actually was Advanced Therapy Week, way back in September in London. A lot's gone on since then. So for people not familiar with ScaleReady, would you mind just giving me a quick overview of the business and what it is you do as a business?
Yeah, absolutely. So it was great to see you back in September. I hope that I will be able to catch you in person next week too in London. So talking about ScaleReady, some people may know, for others it's new. Some may heard that we are a joint venture partnership founded by industry leaders in the cell therapy manufacturing sector, working with gold standard tools and technologies for cell therapy manufacturing. And why do I say gold standards? It's really tools and technologies that are used from early research in translation all the way to commercial manufacturing of commercially available drug products today.
Fantastic. Now, obviously, you've got a range of products that you do offer different customers. But at Advanced Therapy Congress next week, what particularly will you be focusing on in terms of the solutions that you're offering and talking to customers about?
Yeah, so we will showcase more or less our entire portfolio at Therapies next week. And we do have very simple solutions for scaling manufacturing and to make sure that we have a standardized solution for our clients. We'll specifically talk a little bit more at the booth around our cell processing devices with Lovo and Q. But also as we are there to showcase hands-on the G-Rex devices, showing clients how to easily go from research to clinical, how to scale up and out, but also to scale down again, which is a very important factor in this space.
Right, fantastic. Now, I understand you're actually speaking next week. So what are you speaking about and when are you speaking?
Yeah, so I do have a talk. Everyone is more than welcome to come and join us. It's on the second day of the event, on the Wednesday. I'm talking at the manufacturing session. I'm going to talk about how we can simplify manufacturing so that more patients can get access to life-saving treatments, and so that we can move quicker in the industry to get new therapies enrolled and available for patients.
Brilliant. Fantastic. Now, on the booth, just to quickly, because obviously people always want to know what goodies people have, and you always have good goodies on your booth, I know that. So as well as coming to talk to you and find about your wonderful products, what are you doing anything else on the booth to sort of engage with customers as they come to the booth?
Yeah, so at the booth, everyone is welcome to join us there. I'm not there alone. I have two brilliant colleagues with me. I have Maren Böhmer and Tony Pnewski. They are both optimization experts in the cell and gene therapy space. This is what they are working with, every day, all day of the week, talking to clients in early academia, all the way to large pharma on how to optimize their processes. So on hand at the booth, we will have G-Rex devices showcasing how we can easily go from early research to translation and to scale out.
Fine.
So that's a little bit on what we can do, and I hope that a lot of people are stopping by.
Fantastic. Well, look, I look forward to catching up with you next week. So there you go, viewers. If you are at Advanced Therapy Congress next week, which runs, as I say, at the London Excel from the 14th to the 15th, then come to ScaleReady booth, which is booth 66, and meet Jenny and the rest of the team. They are a lovely team, I can assure you, because I've met them all before, and they are really lovely to talk to as well. So come and meet them. Jenny, one question: that if people cannot make it to the booth or for whatever reason can't get to catch up with you guys next week, where else can they get more information?
Yeah, I mean, feel free to join us in LinkedIn. We do post a lot of information out there. Go to our website at scaleready.com, and feel free to reach out to me directly over LinkedIn.
Fantastic. All right. Well, look, I hope the snow settles not too deeply so you can actually get out your house and do stuff, and hopefully get to the airport as well to get to London next week. And I look forward to seeing you in person. So safe travels. Viewers, there you go. So if you're at Advanced Therapy Congress next week at London Excel, come and check out the ScaleReady booth. Talk to Jenny and the rest of the team. They're on booth 66. If you can't make it, check out their LinkedIn page and also check out scaleready.com. And also watch the video I do, which I'm adding to this post, which I did with Josh Ludwig from ScaleReady, where he talked about the challenges and the trends around cell therapy, actually. And that video will be above this video as well, so you can check that out as well. So Jenny, thank you very much for your time. I look forward to seeing you next week. Viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, Rizwan.